All right, so what do you do for work? Talking about workplace violence. How are they related? Why should you care? And what can you do about it? Quick scan here. 68% of workers do not feel safe in their own workplace. Taxi drivers are 2 times more likely to be murdered while on the job than police officers. Healthcare workers consistently rank number 1 for the most non-lethal attacks while at work. More than police, more than military. About 41% report being seriously assaulted. Now, if you include being bullied or verbal abuse, that number goes up to 89%. And only 10% of those victims report that the incident was handled well by their employers. School teachers, you're not far behind. You're at 44%. Most employers do not have a plan for how to deal with violence in the workplace, or the plan is not well known by employees, so they are unprepared when they face it. Now, numbers do change from study to study. I'd love it if you could prove me wrong. If you have a source, send me a link. My name's Andrew. I teach a strange little self-defense course. If no one else is out there helping you, we can. Reach out.